थैंक यू। मैं आपको एक हमारे ट्रेनर हैं मोहित जी, उनसे इंट्रोड्यूस करवाता हूँ। वो आपको डिजिटल पहलू के ऊपर में बेहतरीन लेक्चर देंगे। मोहित जी ज्वाइन कीजिए।
And we also need more people to get involved in this session. और भी लोग हैं जो अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं तो they are welcome. So Mohit, Mr. Mohit is here, and he will deliver the things in front.
Hello everyone.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello Durgesh. Hello everyone. So as I'm material, my name is Mohit and I'm a digital marketing trainer and I have been in this field for last 8 years. Now I'll be telling you, as you know, digital marketing is the trend and digital marketing is the future. If you look back like 5 or 6 years back, you might have heard people about talking about website. Why do I need a website? My business doesn't need a website. I have a brochure, I have a catalog, that is enough. And nowadays, this impossible. Every company has, and nowadays it has become trend, and you have to go with the trend. If you don't go with the trend, if you don't change yourself with the trend, you will be back, right? And I don't have much idea about all the topics we have been talking about, politics and all. So I will come straightforward the way I teach. I have been into many different institutes as a guest faculty, and I'll share my screen. I'll show you the way I'm going to train you. So this is the modules, the topics which I'll be covering. And before that, let me tell you that the way I teach, I cover each and everything. As you know that when you go somewhere, when you join any company, you are given some task, right? Now you have to do that task, and you have to also take care of things you need to do. Like when you start doing anything, you need some elements beside them, right? So I'll be teaching all the elements which are required to do that task. For example, when it's about posting any blog on a website or posting something on social media, what things you need? You need a good graphic, you need a good content, right? So some of the people, they are good in content, so they need a good graphic. So I'll teach you how you can create a good graphic, amazing carousels, how to edit videos, how to edit images and all. Some are good in that, but they lack in content writing. My English is not good, I cannot write things. So how to do creativity in writing. So all the things will be covered in these even. So my training would be from the very scratch. When you join, I will be expecting you as a very scratch, and I'll take you from the very first moment. The few classes will be introduction about digital marketing, why we are doing that and all. And after that, from the very first point, how to make a website, plus the promotion of the website, how to promote it organically, inorganically, using ads, using SEO. Then we will work on social media, how to promote your business on social media, and to the next level. All right. It also includes the advanced level. Okay. How you can rank your website within a very short span of time. There are some myths that when you talk about digital marketing, people are crazy about ranking their website. So that is done through SEO, right? Now, SEO is the strategy through which you rank your website on Google, and it takes like few months, at least 3 or 4 months. So sometimes people have questioned that my website has not ranked, it has been 3 months. It doesn't matter like it has been 3 months, it matters what the level of your keywords. There are competitions and keywords. Some keywords have low competition, some have medium, some are high. So if you're targeting your keywords which have low competition, you can rank them in 3 months. If it is medium, it will take 2 more months. If it is high, it will take more. Because what actually ranks is not a website, what ranks is your blog. So you have to work with the keyword. You have to analyze your website. For suppose, if you join any company, they will ask you to promote their business organically with SEO, right? So I'll teach you, I will show you by hand that how you can first analyze their business, how you have to work on their initial website analysis, how you have to find the exact keyword which you have to target, so that you can boost their business in few months. Okay, so from A to Z, all the things will be covered. Okay, and these are the things. And when we talk about the syllabus, okay, I'm getting some requests that I should speak in Hindi. So हमारा ये सिलेबस है, ठीक है, इसमें हम बहुत सारी चीजें कवर करने वाले हैं. स्टार्टिंग से ही कैसे बनाएंगे हम वेबसाइट, कैसे उसको रैंक करेंगे. So there will be, you will be given a free hosting and a free domain from Equidigital so that you can work on it. और 3 महीने बाद जब तुम यहाँ से निकले, तो वो वेबसाइट आपकी गूगल के फर्स्ट पेज पे रैंक कर रही होगी. ठीक है, I do not bet it will be ranking on the very first, but it will rank somewhere between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is how we do. We deliver the best things to you. So we will start from digital marketing fundamentals. We will start understanding what is digital marketing, why people are crazy about it, and what are the benefits and the about jobs. After that, we will be planning for a website. We will choose our niche, what we are going to make a website for, what is our interest. According to that, you will be given your own hosting and domain from Equidigital so that you can start working on it. So when you start working on it, while studying that, you will get to know some theories about SEO, how search engine works, why your website ranks on the top, why it goes down. Because what happens, when you make a website, Google has some software. They have made some software, they are called as Google bots. And there's
Mohit, search engine optimization.
Sure. SEO is a search engine on Google. Like Google, this is a search engine, right? And there are more search engines like Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, and Keep, okay, in covering all the different parts of the world. But as you know, these search engines are no longer in use because what Google is covering at least like more than 90% covering the world, right? So we have to target on Google. So whatever things we do, we will do for Google. We have to rank our website on Google. So SEO is a strategy through which you rank your website on Google. There are many rules that we have to follow. Okay, so they are known as algorithms. Okay, so they are the rules we have to follow, and there are n number of rules. At least Google has 3,000 algorithms, but we have to focus on just few because we only knew few because Google doesn't disclose all the algorithms because after that anyone can rank the website. So we have some algorithms, they are called as Google bots as well. For example, there is a bot that is Panda, that's known as Panda algorithm. So what it does, when you create a website, you have your content, you have your images and everything. So what happens, anytime, morning, evening, anytime these bots, they can crawl your pages, they can check all the paragraphs, all the sentence, all the words, all the links which you have used in a website, and according to that, it will give you score. It will help you rank your website. So like in Panda, it will be telling how, like if you are using a content which is duplicate, like which was used by anyone across the world in different websites. If you copy that content and put that content right away in your content, in your website, that will be a duplicated charge. Okay, so Panda, what will do? It will punish you. It will degrade your rank. All right. Now, likewise, there are Penguin. So what this does, Penguin works on links. If you are using any link which is irrelevant or which is broken link is what, when you click a link, when you go to websites, download a movie, but you don't find any movie in that link, that is a broken link. Or if you are using a link which promotes ammunition, drugs, alcohols, or anything like that is you will be punished for that. So Penguin will be punishing you for low quality links. All right. Now I'm getting some more questions. I'll be explaining. So someone is asking that there is a Smith algorithm which has been in market. People are talking about it. So Smith algorithm, it is an algorithm which has not been launched yet, but it is in the research, and it was released in November 2020. So this algorithm, what it does, earlier, when you look 10 years back, Google was not able to understand human. Like if we type Delhi temperature now, so Google was able to understand 10 years back. And after that, what happened after 10 years back in 2013, they launched a new algorithm which is Hummingbird. And after the release of that, Google was able to understand a full sentence. Like if somebody asked, what is the temperature of Delhi today? So Google started understanding all these sentences, full sentences or phrase. Still, how they used to understand? They used to understand by grabbing keywords like today, Delhi, and temperature. After there is no Hummingbird. Okay, so that's why when we used to write a content website, I'm sorry, let me speak in Hindi. So हम जब लिखते हैं कंटेंट में वेबसाइट में, तो हमारे पास पहले आता था नेगेटिव कोड क्यों? हमने सेंटेंस बहुत लिख दिया था, मोर देन 20 वर्ड्स, हमने उसमें बहुत हार्ड वर्ड यूज किए हैं, तो गूगल उनको फिगर आउट नहीं कर रहा था। अब क्या है, अब ये स्मिथ मार्केट में बना है, ठीक है, अगर ये लॉन्च होता है, मे बी अप्रैल और मई मार्च में ये होगा लॉन्च, अगर ये लॉन्च हो गया, तो वो जो डिफिकल्टी थी कि आपको हर सेंटेंस को छोटा करना है, 20 वर्ड से कम करना है, आपको पैसिव वॉइस यूज करना है, और आपको ग्रामर मिस्टेक ज़्यादा ना हो, तो वो सब चीज़ें आपको कम हो जाएंगी, ठीक है, आपको काम आप बहुत आसान हो जाएगा। Okay, so Google is trying its best to help you. The Google is providing new platforms through which you can do the stuff very easily. And what we do, we help you to create your own website, and we tell you using a tool that is WordPress. Now, WordPress was released like a decade back, only 10 years back, and more than 40% of websites today in the world are based on WordPress. And if you talk about like Just Dial, Urban Clap, so whatever you type on Google, they rank, right? You see their names on the top of the pages in Google search engines. Why? Because many websites have been made by them, which is on WordPress, giving support to the main website, okay? So WordPress is one of the best platforms to build a website, and it also helps you in doing SEO and other things very easily. It's very user friendly. So people, they think that digital marketing is like sunset, it's very tough, lot of things need to be done. Yeah, it's technical, I totally understand. So if you're using an Android phone, you get iPhone, you have some difficulties using for a few days, and after that you are a pro. So likewise, it's a tool, you have to use it. If you need to practice for like few days, all right, regular practice 3 or 4 months, then you can achieve it. And after that, people are influencing these days. Okay, after getting 500 or 1,000 followers, they get the swipe up tool in Instagram, and they get some features in Facebook as well, so they can become an influencer. So today, becoming an influencer is very easy. You need to be focused on few things. Like what happens? There are three kinds of influencers. Okay. The first one is called celebs. Okay. So they are the celebrities. So they have like more than 1 million followers. Now, second one is experts. Okay. Like they are the industry experts and which have followers. For example, now the others are the everyday influencers. Okay. They have followers from 500 to 10,000. So what happens nowadays? Suppose there is a company and they have a product. So when they have to launch a product, if they get to the celebrities, right? The big celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan and all. So what they will be investing only one day for the promotion of that product. Okay, and they will be charging in crores. Okay, so this is a very quite high amount, and most of the companies cannot afford that. Now, when you talk about excels like industrial experts, they also promote the products, but they also cannot do in everyday basis. So their price is not so high, but they're expensive too, and they cannot promote your product on daily basis. All right. So, for example, when you have a business and you have to do business not for a month or two, you have to do it for the coming years as well. So, what happens? The everyday influencers, okay, you can focus on your content, you can focus on your proper needs, and you can start earning in like 6 months. Okay, I bet if I teach you, I bet the things I tell you, if you follow all those things, okay, there will be balance between a content and graphic, and you can achieve that target very soon. Okay, so what happens with the everyday influencers? They charge very less amount. Okay, so it's very easy for the businesses to promote their products on daily basis. So that's why becoming an influencer nowadays is very easy. Okay, so social media platforms help you in this way. And if you talk about ranking websites, promoting a business, so we do it in two ways. The one we do using SEO, that it needs hard work and it's free. You need to invest some time, right? Second way, we can promote a business by ads, which is a paid one, all right? So it gives you instant results, right? Like today you run an ad and tomorrow you will get the result. But in SEO, what happens? You do the SEO, it at least takes 3 months to rank your website. But yes, if we do that, then then your website will be ranking and you will get more traffic and the rate of investment would be more compared to the ads which you run. Now, in this module, I'll be also telling about YouTube. We have a YouTube video course as well. You can learn from that. And all the things you need to, because what happens in India, I have worked with many companies and smaller and bigger ones as well. So when you actually join any company, they don't want, I'm talking about the freshers, okay? Like people who are new to digital marketing, so they wonder like how I can start earning, how I can be a freelancer or how I can start working. So there are many companies who want to marketing and organic. I'll tell you email marketing as well, video marketing, everything will be covered in this. Okay, and nowadays, what is the most important thing? That is data. So how you can collect the data, that is a lead generation and marketing automation. Okay, how you can generate lead and how you can sell anything. Okay, just by creating an ad, you can create a sales funnel. Okay, when you talk about marketing, the very important thing is sales funnel. You might have heard about it or autopilot. So what it does, you create a funnel. You create an ad, you attract the customers, you get the lead, you convert them, and you make them your loyal customers so that you can remarket your products. Okay. So all these things will be covered in this topic, and there are some more. I'll share the link. You guys can check those things. I'll share it in the chat box. Any questions? If you have, you can ask.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Yes, sir. So while learning how to make this and make a website, will we be taught कि कैसे secure किया जाता है अपने website को encrypt कैसे करते हैं वो सारी
बिल्कुल. How you can there are two types of security. If he lands on a website, if he does any payment or puts information, that is totally not secure. So we tell you how you can secure it. There are two ways. Either you can buy a SSL security, that is a secure socket layer, or we can also tell you how you can secure it if you don't have much amount of money. Because when you start your own setup or business, we totally understand that after post-COVID, people are having the health issues, the financial issues. So I'll be telling all those things which will be really down to earth, and that will be on the ground level basis, which will help you to promote your business. Okay. So making a website, okay, securing the website, everything will be taught you in this module. Any more questions? Anyone? If
so can I speak?
any particular topic, yes, Prabhakar.
So it is from the earlier topic that social media platforms. Like nowadays, the followers that would be real customers are fluctuating day by day. मतलब if we have followers like 500 something, like 578, तो 3 दिन बाद से वो 560 पे आ जाते हैं वापस. तो
The reason behind that, those customers are not that what happens, you have to first of all choose a niche. Okay, what is your niche? Okay, so the followers, you need to find out how you made that follower. If that follower may be a bot or someone who was not interested, or you force them to like your page. Okay, so if people are not getting benefited from your profile, then they will not follow, or then they will not remain on your website or on your profile for longer period. Okay. So you have to give them something which is beneficial for them. Okay. First of all, you have to give them, then you can expect things from the others.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so let me add the things, and thank you so much, Mohit, for delivering. This is a very good thing, and you have cleared all the doubts and all the things regarding digital marketing, and what exactly the modules you people are covering, and how efficient it is. And if you have any issues regarding YouTube or any kind of things, you can go to our website as well. That is Equic. Mohit, can you please share that website link and the YouTube, especially YouTube link here? And that's it from our side. If you have any questions, you can ask, and rest is okay. And thank you so much for inviting us to such a beautiful and such a tremendous thing. So I would really like to thank on behalf of Equic Digital to Technia College and their placement cell. They are organizing such events, and we are also focused that we should again come to your institute or your college, and we can deliver the things if it is required. So thank you so much, Technia, and thank you so much placement thing, and we will surely visit your college as well if you will invite us. So I'm looking forward for it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, students, for being such a patient listener. In the end, I just like to conclude and give my thanks to everyone present here. I just tried to summarize what the gentlemen have spoken in this workshop. Now, what I can see here that the social media or the digital media, which is now surpassed the electronic media or the print media when it comes to the source of information. What I can guess that what started as a platform for leisure activity and sharing the informal side of personality has become an indispensable component in our daily life, and it has raised to a platform to brand, to sell and market the product. Post-COVID, the digital marketing and the social media infusion has grown to a market position. So the workshop is very apt and relevant for the current condition. We heard from Mr. Mukund, Mr. Durgesh, who are from Equit Digital Private Limited, and who are also linked with Political Mitra, which is a brand responsible for political PR and campaign. What I can see here, that to me, what appears to be just a coupling of numbers and perception is a planned, modulated, formulated, or rather structured strategy which is more dominating than the version on mindset of the common people. Mr. Mohit, who speaks a lot who speaks at length about his expertise that how startups can make their website and through again perhaps more because of the technology super to it through strategy like Panda, Google bot, startups can actually make your website among the top ranked one. This is a strategy, but true. It is a fact too. So with this, हिंदी में कहना चाहूंगी कि जो हमें शुरुआत किया था, हमें लगा था कि हम अपने व्यक्तित्व के उस रूप को दिखाएंगे जो हम मस्ती के मूड में होते हैं या फ्री होते हैं, बिल्कुल इनफॉर्मल, ऑफिस के झंझटों से दूर रहते हैं, उस प्लेटफॉर्म को जैसे कि ट्विटर है, फेसबुक है, उस प्लेटफॉर्म का आज रूप इस तरीके का हो गया है कि वो इतना फॉर्मल हो चुका है कि अब वो यूज होने लगा है आपके ब्रांडिंग के लिए, मार्केटिंग के लिए, और इस तरीके से मुझे लगता है कि पोस्ट कोविड ये और भी बड़े रूप में उठ करके आया है, और जिससे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, प्रिंट मीडिया से ज्यादा स्ट्रांग बन गया है। हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर मुकुंद जी, मिस्टर दुर्गेश कुमार जी, जो कि एक्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से हैं, वो पॉलिटिकल मित्रा का भी एक अंश है। पॉलिटिकल मित्रा वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रही है जो कि पॉलिटिकल PR और कैंपेन में बढ़ चढ़ के काम कर रखी है, खासकर बिहार के इलेक्शन में। और जो हमें समझ में आ रहा था कि सिर्फ नंबरों का हेरफेर है या लोगों की परसेप्शन, लोगों का सोच की ये पार्टी ऐसी है, ये पार्टी वैसी है, हम इसको वोट देंगे, ये इतना साधारण की बात नहीं है। इनफैक्ट ये सब कुछ एक फॉर्मुलेटेड है, मॉडिफाइड में दिखाई देता है, क्योंकि PR एजेंसीज एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टी के लिए काम करती रहती हैं। इस तरीके से किसी भी पार्टी को उठा सकती है, गिरा सकती है, चाहे वो कैसी भी हो। इस तरीके से ये समझ में आता है कि आज के टाइम पे PR और डिजिटल मीडिया और सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो चुका है। मिस्टर मोहित ने बहुत गंभीरता से और बड़े बताया हमें कि कैसे स्टार्टअप डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटेजी को यूज करके अपने कंपनी के वेबसाइट को टॉप रैंक वेबसाइट से इंक्लूड कर सकती है, जैसे कि पांडा है, पेंगुइन से। लेकिन थैंक्स टू मिस्टर मोहित हमारे को समझ में आज आ गया है। थैंक्स टू एवरीवन।